Hello, welcome to today's video. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I am actually 3D printing some headlights for my Discovery. I'm replacing the original ones and I'm 3D printing them so that I can fit LED or round headlights into the space. The last video I created my first prototype, which it wasn't a disaster, but it didn't fit right. So I've been back into the system, I've redesigned it all, and I've just finished printing my first one. Oh, hello. Oh, it's nice and warm still. Nice and warm still. This is a new design that I've created. It's very similar to the prototype, but I've got rid of the lip just for printing because it prints a lot better. And I've also widened it. So I've actually widened this section. It's wider at this bit, it's thinner here, and I've also sorted out the depth for the light to fit in, and I've also created the holes in the back, hopefully in the right place. The idea is a round LED headlight or round light can now fit into the light unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit this to the car. We'll see what it looks like on the car and then we'll go from there. I've also got some round halogen lights, which I might end up going old school and fitting round halogens, because I quite like the look of that as well. But we'll see when it's on the car. I'll fit the round one for now, and then we'll see if it fits on the actual car. So far so good. It's all fit into the light unit, fits nice. It's secure in the light unit, and best of all, these all fit. Now let's make sure they fit on the actual car. There you go. Actually, really like that. I really like that. I think that looks good. I think it's just a bit proud here. How does that look there? It's a little bit proud there. Maybe if we made it a bit smaller. Looks good around here. This lines up nice. All in line. see from the top. And you've also got the light shining straight instead of angled. Do I make that smaller? I think what I'm going to do is, I think that was 30mm, so I'm going to try and make it 25mm. Just make it 5mm thinner and see what that looks like. Back to the drawing board. So I'm very pleased with how that's turned out. It lines up nice, looks really good, and it fits, which is another thing. I'm just going to try and make it 5mm smaller, just so it lines up with the indicator a bit better, instead of it being protruding. But otherwise it lines up with the car very nicely, and I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, back to the drawing board. I'll be back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail with a new print. Right, print should be done now, 7.5 hours later. Oh yeah. Looks good, looks very good. Pretty much identical to the other one, only I've made it just slightly thinner on this edge. So what I'm going to do now is I will get the other halogen light, we'll fit it to the car and see what it looks like. There we go. I really like that. I think they look really good. Let's see what they look like on the car. What do you think to that? What do you think to them? I really like that. Now this one is, it's flush there, and then obviously the indicator curves a bit, so we're not quite in line, but we're not sticking out, which is good. We're all right here. Yeah, I like that. I think the 5mm smaller than this side. I'd rather have it inside than sticking out. I think that looks a bit naff. Obviously they look a bit rubbish at the minute, they need painting. But yeah, I think I'd rather have it more in than out. Yeah, what do you think? I think it's become a bit of a success. I really like the halogens as well. It's got a bit of a Range Rover Classic kind of look to it. Yeah, I really like that. Let's see what it looks like with the LEDs on. Yeah, we'll try the LEDs. Right, I really like that. I think it looks really good. I'm going to try the LEDs in place of the halogens, but they do fit, so that's good. Yeah, see what these look like. I like that too. I don't actually know which one I prefer. Yeah, see, I like the LEDs, but I also like the simplicity of the halogens. Which ones do you prefer? The LEDs or the halogens? I think the LEDs have got a bit more of an aggressive look, but I'm really happy with them. I think they look really good. I think I kind of prefer the halogens. And I think that 5mm has made the difference. I think making it a little bit smaller, making it a bit more recessed than having it sticking out looks miles better. It's exciting. Right, that's the prototypes finished, I think. I'm very happy with the outcome. I think 5mm smaller, perfect. The lights, the halogen lights are actually slightly deeper than the LEDs. So what I might do to make it a bit more universal is I might make a ring that can fit inside the headlights. So when you're using halogens, you just fasten these in. When you're using LED ones, if they're a bit thinner, then you use a ring just to pack it out so that it can be fixed in nice and secure. The LEDs are a bit, you can spin them round, so there's something not right there. But I think a packer will pack it out and make it a bit more secure. I actually prefer the halogens, so I might be buying some more halogens. These don't have the pilot light in, so at the minute I won't have side lights, so I will have to buy some new ones. These are just for defenders. But yeah, overall I'm really happy. I think they look really good. I am going to now produce a pair the same in ABS plastic, which is a better quality plastic. I'm also going to try and produce some of the clips. I'm going to try and make my own clips because they're a common thing to break, and if I can make them, I can also supply the lights with clips and all that kind of stuff. And also, before I go, the screws that we use for these, I don't like the idea of just screwing into plastic. I don't think it's very strong. So what I've done is I bought a kit. These are brass inserts, little brass inserts. I don't know if you can see. So what you do is you heat them up and you set them into the plastic, and then you have a threaded nut in the plastic that won't just wear out. It's just a better quality than screwing into the plastic. I think it looks miles better. So I've got a little bit of testing to do, see which ones are the best holes. I've printed that out just to test the hole sizes, so I know which one's the right size, and I can get the correct size hole, and I'm not using too much, making too much of a mess. Yeah, exciting. So the next stage is to print them in ABS, and then we will see what they look like, get them on the car, and I think, like I say, I'm going to go with the halogens. I prefer them, I think. Let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer the halogens? Do you prefer the LEDs? You can have any type of round headlight that you wish. There's loads out there, as long as they are a 7-inch headlight made for Defenders and Jeeps, and obviously other cars that use a 7-inch headlight. As long as they're that size, they will fit, and yeah, I'm excited. I know some people might say I'm making them to make better headlights, and then I'm fitting standard headlights in, so I'm not really gaining anything, which is true. They are standard and these are standard. I'm not really gaining as good a light output as an LED, but it's not just about the lights for me, it's about being different, being unique, and considering I can't believe that a week ago or a couple of weeks ago I knew nothing about CAD, I knew nothing about 3D printing, and now I've got a working prototype, a part that's on my car that I've created that looks good. I've created that. Just shows that you can do anything if you put your mind to it. I did have a wobble. I had a couple of wobbles where I thought I'm not going to be able to do this. It seemed very difficult at first, but I've practiced and practiced, and I've learnt, and now we are where we are. Yeah. Hope that you've enjoyed this little video. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye for now. That's good. I've just realised I've just filmed all that in manual and I haven't changed any settings, so it could be a bit rubbish. Oops. And I've also faced my fears. I was actually videoing that while somebody was walking past and I carried on talking. Big thing for me, that.